I'm on the walking trail going from deck 16 down to deck 15 on Celebrity Edge. It's about 9:30 at night. It gets you an idea of the lights, how effective it is. This is the smokestack. We're heading towards, from Mallorca, heading to for a sea day, and we'll be in Monaco another day. But this gives you an idea of the top area there for Edge, and the big letters up there, and then it comes on around. You can see the entire area where the pool is, and all the colors. It's really beautiful. That's the magic carpet frame over there, and then the magic carpet is right down below it. Through the arches there, you can see it. And people are having dinner out there tonight. They open it up for different use. Part of the time it's used for dinner, and then they use it for recreation during the daytime. And you can see it. So now, this is Celebrity Edge on the walking trail. That's a sauna hot tub up there. And then back over there is it would be deck 15. Lots of seats to watch the ocean and the ports as we come into. So this is Celebrity Edge on our way to Monaco.